Alright guys, I got this up in the air. Got to figure out where we're going to put that gas tank. So, thinking right in here. But I'm running into one little issue right here. That frame is bent. So, took the big crescent wrench, started bending on it. Trying to put it back to the way it should be. But I can only push it so far before I kind of give up the gas. So I am going to have to do something a little different to try to push that back into place.
Me and the boys was sitting around drinking, we was talking about things that we was thinking, when all of a sudden what comes out of Bill's mouth? Said I'm getting old and fat and slow, and I don't recover like I did before from nights of rabble, rousing and too much fun. Well, I looked around and we all agreed, and I had a drink and I ordered 3, and I staggered back to do it all again. And we made an oath on a rum and coke with the best intention, I'm sure you know, that we would stop this living in excess. We're gonna have one more party, one more special occasion. Do it Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, holidays and weekends. We can have one more party. There's more hell we should be raising. One more party now, one more party tonight.
Okay, so what did I do? I picked me up one of these Vevor 4-ton power units things. So let's see if this thing can help me push dents out. This is the first time I'm opening this. Boy, they tape that shut pretty good. Alright, what do we got in the box? Okay, that's what it says, Vevor. Let's take it out and see what's in there. Let's see, can you guys still see what I'm working on? Looks like you can. Alright, open her up. What's holding it shut now? Oh, there's snaps on the side too. Okay, here we go. We got the hydraulic pump. And we got the cylinder. And we got all kinds of stand things. Well, looks like we got the parts. A couple of them are just kind of laying in here. Where do they go? I would imagine that probably goes over on this side, and this probably goes over on that side, and the rest of them kind of go where they were. Okay. I guess that's probably the handle for pumping this thing. And okay. And then we got all these little things to get up in the air. How many feet do you suppose we got? Am I gonna have to let the truck down a little bit to make room? Or to get it to the height I need it? Let's see. I can put that in here, I can put that in there. Maybe. There it goes. Then I can take this and put it there. And that gets me to about 4 feet. And I got the truck about 6 feet in the air, so that means I am going to have to lower the truck. Ugh. Looks like that's about the maximum right there. And can you see it? Now I'm going to back you guys up a little bit so you can see. Fully assembled, full height, right about there. So about 4 feet total. Alright, let's finish hooking it up and take it over to the truck and see what we can do. Or maybe, instead of lowering the truck, I'll just build myself a 5-foot extension using some heavy-duty pipe. Let's see if this will work. Okay guys, that's looking quite a bit straighter now. What do you think? Maybe a little bit out, but for my uses, it's probably good enough. And there's a little bit of a bow there, but I think I can live with it.
Me and the boys was sitting around drinking, we was talking about things that we was thinking, when all of a sudden what comes out of Bill's mouth? Said I'm getting old and fat and slow, and I don't recover like I did before from nights of rabble, rousing and too much fun. Well, I looked around and we all agreed, and I had a drink and I ordered 3, and I staggered back to do it all again. Then we made an oath on a rum and coke with the best intention, I'm sure you know, that we would stop this living in excess. We're gonna have one more party, one